Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Dr. Crypto is here with another Bitcoin price analysis. Guys, what's happening right now? Bitcoin 53,000, nearly for $54,000, and well, it was not unexpected, to be honest, right? We were hoping that 53.5 would be the bottom and we are shooting back up, but it was a little bit not confirmed, and I will tell you why. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course share your ideas with me in the comment down below. So guys, what I want to show you very quick, I don't want to waste any time, right? You need the quickest thing that like you want to get some ideas from others. My idea is, guys, look at this trend line down in here. I've had it since we were starting from, let's say, 29,000, coming back up to make like a local high at 53,000. Then we had a consolidation. As soon as we touched the line, we're shooting the price back up to make a new all-time high. Now guys, this trend line is quite important, and well, if you were following me in the Twitter, I was actually tweeting a little bit, so make sure that you follow me in the Twitter, because it's much just easier to tweet and share ideas, right? So this trend line, what is it about? When we were at 65,000, we were entering, quite long couple of weeks of beer market, right? And finally we hit 29,000, and then we started coming up. And in this period of time, actually, it was hard to believe that we are entering again a bull cycle, but that was the case, which made us a new all-time high at 69,000. Now, guys, as soon as we hit the line again, which we actually fall from how much, 53,000, we came back all the way down to 40-ish, and then as soon as we hit the line, this trend line, we were going to make a new all-time high at 69,000. That's why this line is quite important, and we are very well close to it, as you can see. You see that, right? Now here we got at 54,000. Of course, if you know, and if you follow me on Twitter, you know that I put a long position here. I was riding 54,000 to 57,000. I said that I will close my long position, even I hope that we will be going up, but I closed because I was thinking that we are just not really confirmed for this price action to just continue go make a new all-time high. But guys, now the important is I'm making this video to just make you aware of the fact that we are getting closer to this trend line. And this trend line, if we measure in the previous time, as soon as we hit it, it shot up back up again at 80%. If you measure it one more time here, when we hit this trend line, we were again up here to like around 70%, and if you measure it to all-time high, it was again 7%. So historically, in the short-term history, this line was each time shooting price up about 70 to 80%. Now let's measure if we hit it, let's say today. These are the daily candles, okay? It's actually positive because it's coming down very aggressively. Let's say that we hit the bottom line again, which is 51,500, 52,000, let's say, and then if we hit it, and if we go, let's say not 70, not 80, 75%, we go in the price up, it will position the price of the Bitcoin about $90,000. Of course, this is not necessarily it needs to happen, and of course, it's not a financial advice. There could be the case that bears are talking about if we break this trend line, which I really don't expect, to be honest. Even if we are about to enter a bear cycle, and let's say 69,000 was this cycle top, which I don't believe to be, then I expect actually to have some pump back up. And then if we got any other rejection at some other level, then for example this line which rejected, I had all of this line I was looking at. Actually we got the rejection in this second line. If we get another rejection here, then we potentially could break this important line and actually enter a bear market, as bear in the your bearish YouTuber are actually talking about. But guys, I record this video urgently, immediately, because I believe this line is quite important. Of course, there are a lot of fear now going on in the markets because we are dropping a lot of, like, most of you guys or many others, they could be new to the market and they are fearful at the moment, but we have to actually be a little bit patient and let Bitcoin play its price. I believe, look guys, I believe this line will hold and it will send us back up. Let me know what you think in the comment down below. And actually, guys, we are seeing a massive alt season, that altcoins are just crazy. 100%, if you look at the top of the Binance, is just like nothing, right? 300, 400, 500, 600%. We have some of the altcoins that they are gaining daily in the market. Now, let's say in the first page of the coin market cap, we have, for example, Cosmos, which I've been talking for a long time about it, guys. For a long time about it, I was talking about Cosmos and I was saying this is undervalued. Why Solana, why Cardano, why Avalanche, why, I don't know, Polygon, all of these, Terra, Luna, they've been going up, and Cosmos was just hovering at the price of $20 to $30, which is incredibly undervalued for the Cosmos. It has a big ecosystem. A lot of projects are being made on them, and I believe this is one of the, that's why I actually accumulated a lot. I'm ready. I'm just not selling my Cosmos. And so today it was doing great, but for me, I'm just looking for anything above $100 for the price of for the Cosmos. Not a financial advice, but that's my opinion, of course. I don't see anything in the first page of the coin market cap, any high cap is not even so high, but any high cap to be undervalued more than Cosmos is at the moment. So we see a lot of this project, but in overall, not good. But for example, look, Terra 64% during the past week. Look at this beautiful upside movement, right? So if you have the right altcoin, you are just happy and you don't care what's happening to the price of the Bitcoin these days. And of course, one of my other, it might be surprising to you, you might be just saying that I'm bullshitting, but honestly, guys, Litecoin is the project that I'm holding. Let it go to zero. I'm holding, I'm accumulating. I'm just confident that Litecoin is also very undervalued for a lot of reasons that I'm not here to talk about the altcoin in this video. I might be posting other videos and talk about particularly about Litecoin, my reasons why I'm bullish on it. And of course, a lot of DeFi's like Uniswap, SushiSwap, Chainlink, they are doing extremely bad. They had their own reason, guys. DeFi is actually, well, they've been hot for a while and they could become hot again. But honestly, guys, the contract, a smart contract platform, like let's talk about Avalanche, let's talk about Polkadot, Cardano. Even Cardano was doing bad, but anyway, Solana, all of these, Cosmos, they're doing much better, guys, because you have to consider that they are actually, their coins, their tokens are much more valuable to hold, to stake, to do whatever, than like DeFi, which actually they have other purpose of existence. And of course, Metaverse, I don't think I do even need to talk about. They've been crazy sandbox, I mean, Decentraland, you know, so these are just and no need to talk about them. So guys, what I'm saying here, just let's keep calm. I mean, there is no reason to panic and sell at this level. Just think about, if you are a hodler, just think about that all this could happen in the market, basically could just because of the manipulation. Just think about, if anybody could have long in here, like if let's say Bitcoin is the price is going to 100,000 or more. Let's say that if they want to let it go just in a straight line up, then there would be a huge amount of long contracts, leverage contracts, that they would be basically millionaires, billionaires, or whatever. So let the price of the market to play, and you know, you shouldn't, I mean, if you're a hodler, you shouldn't be afraid at this time, because this could be basically manipulation. A lot of long contracts could be getting out, liquidated, or like they just lose, and you know, they finish the long contracts. They, of course, if the market is about to explode and go up, of course they get a lot of short contracts as a, I mean, let's say bear trap or whatever. So all I want to say, this trend line, take a look at, just open your trading view if you would like to just track the price. All right, put this line in the daily, I mean, or 4 hours or whatever you would like. Put this line, take a look at, and be careful. Let's see, even let's say if we broke a little bit above under it, doesn't mean that we are entering the bear cycle. Usually we could have some fake breakout and we come back up. Now guys, actually, honestly, I'm a little bit happier with this drop, because this to me confirming the scenario, the bullishness scenario, more than before, because I don't know, if we would have started from here to just go up, this wouldn't be like, I wouldn't know what will happen when we arrive in the price of 64, 65,000. Then we would have to come back again. But now if we hit this line and we consolidate, or we just shot back up, then I would be more confident in the future of the market. So of course, in the the bull side, of course, if something happened that makes me bearish, I will share my ideas with you guys. So one more thing quickly to show you is DXY, guys, the dollar index, which I am quite bearish on. Yes, of course, look at this beautiful pump to the upside, right? It's not beautiful for the crypto market, but when dollar was pumping, this was the time that we were just dumping from 69,000 to the level that we are at the moment. But dollar actually is consolidating. It broke back, it broke above the channel, which is a bearish pattern. I mean, this ascending channel. But anyways, now today I'm quite bearish. I don't think that dollars even finish this candle green today. Even if it does, I believe that it will soon it will be falling back to the channel. You don't know, not a financial advice, guys. Of course, it can get the support, go back up, but what I think that it will break back to the channel, becomes even more bearish than before, will move slowly toward the lower trend line, and will potentially become even more bearish than before. And that's the time that Bitcoin would potentially will be, skyrocketing, and we will just finish the, and yeah, of course, we're in December, and that doesn't mean that from 1st of December we have to be just all green, going up, going to directly to 100,000. I've been checking the chart. Actually, first week of December are not really that good and exciting as the 2nd to 4th week of December. So guys, if you are hodling, there is no reason to sell at this moment. There is no reason to be scared and all this stuff. Not a financial advice. Go ahead, do your research. If you have trading knowledge, do it. Decide for yourself. I could be 100% wrong, I know, but if you want my opinion, I was thinking that this is the time that I have to make this video and give you a quick update on the price of the Bitcoin and what I think about altcoin, all this stuff, guys. If you so far enjoyed the video, if you want me to make more of these videos, please like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and leave the comment down below. Tell me, of course, about the altcoin, which altcoin, because I am actually, as I told you in Twitter, make sure that you follow me in the Twitter, because in the Twitter I'm tweeting quite often. It's much easier to come up and make a video and post it in YouTube. So I said, after I finished my I closed my long trade at 57,000, I said, guys, I'm not gonna be trading in December. December for me is not month to trade. Some people are believing now for sure December is the best month to trade because we have a lot of price action. But guys, it's hard. It's hard to find the bottom and top in December. This month usually was the most bullish month, so I could buy some altcoins and just leave it there and get some 3, 4, 5 up to 10x. I'm a particular altcoin. Why should I be putting myself in a risk to get liquidated or whatever? Because like I would, anytime I could be wrong in the trading, right? So yeah, I bought 2 altcoins. I have a bunch of Cosmos, Litecoin, and many others. I'll be making video and talk about some altcoins probably, but guys, don't be scared, I would say. And with all of this being said, thank you for watching, and I wish you having a great weekend.